Energy storage is a fundamental element of the global shift to renewable energy sources. Ogwin's air battery unlocks the potential of energy storage at scale. This patented technology uses only water and air to store energy at high capacity for a long duration in a safe, cost-effective manner. A true revolution for the energy marketplace. Let's take a look at how it works. These are our batteries. Large tanks made of unique polymers which reduce production and maintenance costs drastically. These proprietary tanks are installed underground through a simple process that takes just a few days. The energy from an external energy source, whether directly from the grid or renewable energy, is used to power water pumps, one of the most energetically efficient tools ever created. The water flows into compression tanks, compressing the air at high pressure in a fully isothermal process. The isothermal balance is achieved thanks to two things. First, the massive amount of water functions as a huge cooling unit. Second, the air is compressed slowly, so the air molecules don't move as rapidly as they do in common air compression methods. No heat is generated, and no energy is lost. The compressed air can be delivered to as many tanks as we want, and they serve as our energy storage units. When energy is in demand, the compressed air is used to push water, the same water that is used for the air compression, through a hydroelectric turbine, again, a very efficient tool, and electricity is regenerated. While today, most common energy storage solutions rely on lithium batteries, which have a significant environmental impact and many techno-economical limitations, air battery can run endless cycles for decades with no degradation at minimum expense. It's completely eco-friendly and can be implemented under functional areas with minimal environmental footprint. It's modular, scalable, and quickly installed, enabling long-duration storage simply by adding more air tanks. This is a whole new era for renewable energy. Air battery. Energy storage reinvented.